Hello and welcome to this multiplayer factorial playthrough where we take on a very difficult DeathWorld using the Cities of Earth mod. This mod allows us to play on a surface that looks like Earth and we are playing in Europe. An additional challenge is that we have set the mod to pre-place 41 rocket silos around the map. We have to capture them and launch a rocket from each to win. This recording is a capture from my Twitch stream that has been split for uploading to YouTube with minimal editing to remove breaks or dead time. In the description you can find links to the mod list, save files, and my Twitch channel. Thank you and enjoy. I don't need to load this up too heavy. Alright, I don't think I need to request walls or any of that stuff anymore. Cool.
They are not joking.
Wow, Paris launched. Why would Paris be so far behind? Oh, it probably didn't have any satellites. Alright, Pony, you can go home. Kinda got some lag going here. I can cut this down to 100. Those will get here. Those will get here. Well, it looks like you could take and secure Berlin with just that, Jay. So might as well call it there on that.
Yeah.
That's a nice clear out. Leaves us a little bit of flavor. Unlike what Heiken is doing, which is just insanity.
What?
What? Where's your support?
Judged.
You're going to clobber that oil. What's wrong?
Yes. I am going to clobber that oil.
Wow, that's brave.
Can't possibly go wrong, right?
How hard could it be?
Worst case is the power pole gets destroyed and you have to teleport back somewhere else.
I have a remote. The other choice was to walk back to Amsterdam.
Yeah, I know, but then you have to walk your spider back to the next teleporter.
Yeah, usually you can put a large power or a substation, and you can get a charge onto Oslo or onto a teleporter.
Not enough what? Oh. Someone used Paris recently.
That was me. You can teleport to a closer one, and then that doesn't take as much power, and then teleport from there that's, fully charged. But what was the other thing I was thinking just a moment ago? Heiken, I don't know if you were watching, but I created a new blueprint in the defenses called Inside Outside. And what it can be used for is to get this sort of double corner behavior here. And that might come in handy with where you're going right now.
Yes, it could. Indeed.
Indubitably.
Well, I don't know about that, but...
What did I say?
Wait. How did I not get... I didn't wait long enough to get...
Can I laugh out loud, or do I have to do it silently?
No. I mean, whichever you prefer.
All right, I've sent the train to go launch Ankara. I'm pretty sure this is Turkey.
Yes, it is.
Except that they changed their name.
Let's see, is it GP Duca? Dika? I don't know how I'd say that. Good morning.
Oh, there are no artillery. There's no artillery turrets in...
Oh, they're being made.
Well, my logistics says I ain't going to get any.
Oh, it looks like they're not being made. Something's wrong here. That should be minus 20. Oh, because somebody made a crap ton of nuclear. They put down something and broke something. This is broken. You're going to have to go take a walk. This inserter should have had a green wire on it, and it didn't. And so now we have 1 billion nuclear power plants.
Oopsie.
Usefully.
So what we need to do is we need a green wire from this power pole to this inserter, and then that inserter needs to be set to only if nuclear reactors is greater than 0, kind of like the one above it is looking at. Oh, you're not there. I guess I'll go do it then. I'm right at a teleporter. I thought, hang on.
Isn't it smaller than 0?
Yeah, a little smaller than 0, whatever, yeah.
I mean, I can get there. I just...
No, fine. It's okay. I'll do all the work.
Well,
I'll take care of everything. Oh, you're getting there before I am.
On the rail.
Where do you... Oh.
And then there's a small problem you're going to have to deal with, and that is that the belt needs to be cleared off.
Wait, what?
Not yet. Don't clear it off yet.
Sorry.
Connect this power pole to that inserter. Green wire. Got it?
I got it.
All right, now copy and paste the inserter above it onto it, and then change the icon.
First, I have to get a green wire.
Oh,
I don't carry such.
Well, here, yeah. That's I got ways to deal with that remotely if you want.
Just copy one that exists already.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
it's in a different presentation mode. So there you go. Got it.
Oh.
Okay.
So now copy and paste the inserter above it. You can't leave yet. Copy and paste the red inserter above it into that one, and then change it from centrifuge to nuclear reactor. All right, good night.
Less than 0.
Yeah. Now,
Okay.
this has got a full set of 480 nuclear reactors. So, if you put another buffer chest next to it and then transfer the contents, that will eventually clear up, and then we will start getting arty pieces made. Good luck with that. We do have, by the way, picker dollies, so you could just move that chest to the left, then move the new one into that spot. Or do it 20 at a time.
Well, I mean, or just
Well, then they're not going to be on the network. Oh, yeah. You're doing a lot of work for a control shift or a shift arrow.
that's close enough. It doesn't have to be empty, right?
Nope. As long as you can start getting some arty into the bottom rotating thing, which it looks like you are, you're good. Nice. Nicely done. Oh, hey, we're launching here. It's gonna go down to 7 and 45 FPS.
Okay. And where did they come out? There.
And we're gonna bring some arty down here.
Thought I picked.
Also, trains. This train has arty on it, so you can just come here and grab it out of the chests.
Is that where the ones that are remade are going?
Yes.
So I didn't need to do any of that. I could have.
Yeah, you
left
could have
it
just taken them out of that chest right there. Up there. Sorry, I clicked wrong. But you needed to do that because I needed to be able to mock Jay.
I probably should have checked to make sure biters hadn't overrun this before I went ahead.
Yeah, because you'd have no shields or anything.
Ah!
Oops.
Yeah.
Big bada boom.
This is going to go great.
We're about to see some arty from here. Really? I've only got one of those? Coming. It's gonna be ugly. Wow. Shit is dog slow, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just started firing.
Well, I'm about to start firing too.
I started to fire very much.
Yeah, you did. Okay, I guess you want to clear more. Cool.
I mean, it's in range.
It's funny because it says I've got 45 out of 60, 42 out of 60, and yet it looks
That is
like
not
10. All right, I got biters dying here.
Well, it's suspicious that my F5 for frames says takes 22 millis to do a frame, and 10 of that is waiting.
Yeah, I think it's doing all that route calculation of all those biters. Too big of a attack pattern, I think. Need to use smaller slices.
But I don't understand the FPS UPS numbers.
Neither do I. Did you double target it? Oh, probably because of the lag. All right, let me get rid of these, and maybe that will help. I think it targeted each of those spots multiple times, Jay. I think that's what went wrong.
Yeah, it's possible.
Ah, they have arrived.
They're here. I found a way to. By the way, that idea I had about fixing them when they go to the when they sit back, about disabling the other ones. No, don't do that because we got 8 trains and they're just going to stack more up. What I found I had to do was to control click it to the station, not to the end of the line, but one behind it, and then change its condition to when empty, and then put that above go to the loader, and that allowed it to go there and fire and load the arties and then leave. But you're not having that problem, so good.
Ah, they have cleared a path for the biters to route.
Oh, they're going over this way, Jay. Can you make this any bigger?
Probably.
Because they're all trying to squeeze through there. And there went your train. How fucking hilarious.
Good
Hello,
morning.
Slim.
It's a good time for me to join in.
Oh, yeah. It's nice and laggy.
Oh, nice.
Let me know when you get to the catch-up phase, and then I'll pause it.
No stress.
Ouch.
Oh, stop
Yeah.
downloading and said crashing instead.
Server not happy.
Yeah, I seem to have lost connection to reach the server.
Oh me.
So either my network went
That
to
was
shit or
not the
his
best
did.
time.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't connect to his server now.
Will it reboot or does it need a kick to start again?
I don't know. Here's the worst
Oh
thing.
god.
He's on a cruise ship.
Maybe it's the universe telling me I really should not be playing Factorio right now.
That's never true. That is always a lie. It's like the cake.
I have to write 2 paragraphs for a job application of why I want to work there. All I have
Because
so far
I
is
want money. And then when they say, well, that's kind of, well, why do you sell things to people? Because you want money. So this is not good.
that's point 2.
Yeah. No, actually, I mean, the honest answer is because, well, I'll tell you what my 3 are. I want to work with great and inspiring people. I have this on a little note card. It's on a little 2x3 note card I've carried for decades.
Mm-hmm.
So number 1 is work with great and inspiring people. Number 2 is to create product that adds value and inspires and serves the customer. Create product that adds value and serves the customer. Number 3, feel a sense of accomplishment.
I like this.
Yeah, so do I. That's why I've had it on a little note card for decades.
See, my go-tos have basically just been, I just want money so my mortgage is paid and my dog has dog food.
Yeah, well, then you've got to deal with property taxes, car insurance.
I'll commit some fraud or something for that.
Well, then you don't need a house or a dog.
Yes, fair.
Well, this is not good. I'm probably going to stop my stream. I'm probably going to go raid somebody because I've crashed. And I can't get in, and he's not around.
Well, that sucks.
Yeah.
Yep.
Someone
All I did
else
was
hosting
click
or
reconnect.
Yeah, no, I can't even get to because there's a hosting site that it's the I can't remember the name of it. It's a tool that was written for hosting Factorio servers.
Clustorio.
Yeah, Clustorio. So there's a web interface for Clustorio that is on the same box as the server, and I can't get to it, which means that it doesn't matter what the server's doing. Of course, we could all be dead right now, but because I didn't get to pause the game. Of course, we're all kicked
not
out,
have it
so it should have paused.
It
Yeah,
depends where the game, in what state the game is.
I did not expect that to happen.
We didn't expect you to crash the game either.
Well, he didn't crash the game; he crashed the whole server.
Brought down the entire internet.
Yeah. All right, let me find somebody to raid then. I apologize, y'all. We can stick around and shoot the shit after I stop streaming. Who shall we go bother?
Cyclo's playing.
I think we're gonna go visit Mike. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I am very sad. Well, I am going to start uploading things to YouTube, so soon this whole series will be on YouTube.
Great.
Yeah. I've got some of them uploaded. I just need to set the playlist up and add the videos and set their thumbnail.
Even when you're not streaming, would the server normally be running?
No, I usually shut it off so that Jay doesn't come in and do everything while I'm not watching.
Gotcha.
I'm only half joking.
No, but I was just thinking, like, if I just keep sitting here, like, and it might reboot at some point. Or do you have an interface where you might be able to know that it's crashed or up?
Oh, I know it crashed because I can't get to the server interface that hosts the game. It didn't necessarily crash, but the network connectivity went away. So, all right, I'm going to click this, and I'm going to have a sad.
He is not affected by any hurricanes or tropical storms, right?
Yeah, probably. It's Michigan. I'll be back tomorrow if I can get into the server. If not, I might host something locally. I might be able to put it up on my computer, but it might not run well enough for anybody else to connect. But bye, y'all.
Should
Bye,
they-
stream.
You guys in chat can stick around if you want, but
Um,